Hi Diego. Howdy YouTube. Alright, for starting our charcoal, it's going to be a little different than the charcoal chimney. I've got some paper down here under the grate. I'm going to put some twigs over the top of the paper and some charcoal over the top of the twigs. Leaves and all, it's dry twigs. What this is going to do is burn and help the charcoal start quicker, and it's also going to cure my grill again. I don't know what happened, but I lifted up this lid and there was this coat of rust. Like, I don't know, 6 milliliters. Just a itty bitty thin coat, and so I scraped it off and brushed it, but I want to re-cure my Q before I start cooking, so I'm going to put the wood in there. It'll help the charcoal start quicker, and I won't have to use my charcoal chimney. Not that that's a pain, but that's a luxury I can do without briquettes. I'm just going to light the paper into the charcoal and get her going. Close that to get good airflow going on there. I'll go ahead and close that and open this one over here. I don't know why I'm videotaping any of this. Turn it off. Later, YouTube. Bye, Diego.